Are you ready? The taxi is almost here.
I am ready. I just need my passport.
Your passport is on the table, beside your coffee. I packed my pink backpack last night. I packed mine too. I feel very excited.
Today is our big trip. Everyone stay close.
Yes, airports are busy. We walk together. Can I hold your hand, Mom? Of course, sweetheart. Stay near me. I want to see the airplanes.
You will see many today.
I want the biggest one.
First, we check in our bags.
Then we find our gate.
Then we fly?
Yes, if everything goes well.
Why did you say that?
Because airports can be confusing sometimes.
That is why we move slowly and carefully.
I can help watch the bags.
Good job, Tom. That helps a lot.
I can help too.
You can help by staying close.
The taxi is here.
Let's go, family.
Check the passports one more time.
Mine is here.
Mine is here. Mine is here. Mine is here too.
Great. Now let's move.
Wow, the airport is huge. And very loud.
Stay beside us, both of you.
I will push the big suitcase.
I can pull the small blue one. Good. Keep walking forward.
There are so many people. Oh,
Just look at us, Anna.
Dad, that screen is giant.
It shows flights and gate numbers.
Our flight is on time.
Good. Let's go to check-in first.
Good morning. Passports, please.
Here you go.
Here are the children's passports, too.
Thank you. Please place the bags here.
The belt is moving.
I like that sound.
These bags go under the plane.
All set. Your gate is B12.
Thank you very much.
Security next. Stay together.
I am right here. Me too.
Me too. Shoes off, bags on the belt.
Tom, put your tablet in the tray.
Okay, Dad. Do I put my teddy down too? Yes, just for a moment.
Ha! Teddy looks scared.
Oh,
Teddy is brave.
I am through.
Good. Wait near the bench. I am through too.
I am coming now.
I need one more tray.
Mom, where is Dad?
Huh?
He was behind me.
I do not see him. Maybe he is tying his shoe. Dad?
Dad?
He is not there. Stay calm. Stay with me.
Did Dad go away?
Maybe he stepped aside. We will check. I feel strange. That is okay. Hold my hand.
I feel scared.
I know. We stay together now.
Dad said our gate is B12.
Yes, but we do not move yet.
What if Dad cannot find us?
He will look for us too. Should we call him? Yes, that is smart. I am calling Dad now.
Is he answering? Not yet. Why not?
Maybe the airport is noisy.
Or maybe his phone is inside his bag.
His phone is in his pocket.
Mom, look at that family hugging.
Yes, but keep your eyes here.
We should stand near the security exit.
That is a very smart idea.
Then Dad can see us.
Exactly. We do not wander around.
Dad told us that at home. Yes, and now we follow the plan. I want Dad.
I know, sweetheart.
I hear someone calling.
Tom? Anna? Anna? Where are you?
Dad! Dad is over there. Stay here. Let him come to us.
Let him come to us. I am so sorry. I followed the wrong line.
We stayed near the exit.
Good choice. That was very safe.
I thought you were gone.
I was lost, but only for a minute.
I felt scared too.
Thank you for staying with Mom.
They did very well.
I am proud of both of you.
I want a hug first.
Come here, sweet girl.
I want one too.
Group hug. Right now.
Deep breath, everyone. We are okay. My heart is slower now.
Mine too.
Next time, nobody follows the wrong line.
Next time, we say it louder.
Stay together.
Perfect. Now let's find gate B12.
Can we sit near the window?
Yes,
After we buy water.
and a snack? One snack each. Best airport day ever. Even with lost Dad?
Yes, because we found him. I will laugh at that later.
I am laughing now.
Dad, do not get lost on the plane.
I promise. I will stay in my seat.
Good plan, Dad.
Look, there is our gate.
And there is our airplane.
It is so big. Bigger than our house.
Thank you for staying calm today.
Families stay strong when they stay together.
Yeah? Friends, do you like airport stories? Tell us if you got lost before.
Please like and subscribe for more family stories.